Tip number 4 for building up your business and scaling your business is to create quizzes. Now, many of you have probably seen those quizzes on social media. What kind of potato are you? What kind of animal are you? All of these, people love, love, love to find out things about themselves. We are inherently self-interested as human beings. And it's easy to create little quizzes that will ask them a bunch of questions. And then you can send those people customized emails, customized offerings, even put them into customized sales processes based on the result that came out. This is such a fascinating way to get leads because basically what you're doing is you're just simply creating a survey and you're asking these different questions. Each answer gives them a score number behind the scenes. The system automatically adds up that score. And as you can see, here's a screenshot of an automation. Based on the way that they respond, they get fed down different pathways, which can then start whole other automations. Now you have key information about your customer that you can now use to customize the sales pitch that you give them. And I hate using the word sales pitch. What I mean more is the sales journey. Now, my example of this is I have a quiz called What Type of Course Should You Create? So people take this quiz and they find out whether for them, where they're at right now, based on their answers, whether it's a lead magnet they need to create, whether it's a self-study course, whether it's a coaching program, or whether it's a membership. So by answering those questions, they've now got help because they now know which thing they should be focusing on, which is usually most people's challenge. But now I cut them into different sequences saying, here's 10 ways to create your membership. So somebody came out as that result. I now send them helpful information on how to build a membership through their emails. And of course, at the bottom of each of those emails, it says, and if you want my help, here are all the different ways that I can help you create a membership, right? So this is how you can customize the way that you're nurturing people, upskilling them. And quizzes still today have by far the most highest opt-in rates out there for free things that are given away. So you might want to give this a go. We do at TekMatix have this as a feature on the TekMatix platform, and our team can set it up for you as well. That is a service fee, by the way. This one quiz alone, I've had operating since about 2017, and still to this day, it brings me in lead. And I've got probably thousands, 7,000 worth of customers out of this particular quiz. So it's very effective.